Fix lagging performance for Xiaomi Redmi 10C and restore contact, chat, data, photo and SMS. How to fix slow Xiaomi Redmi 10C to run faster and more responsive. Lagging performance fix. Easy solutions to fix Xiaomi Redmi 10C running slow. This is the average smartphone that comes with a 6.71-inch LCD screen. When we set up this phone from scratch, everything can run fast with Android 11 without any issues. But after using it for several months, some users are experiencing lagging issues. What should we do? Please read some information about how to make Xiaomi Redmi 10C run faster. Why does Xiaomi Redmi 10C become slow and unresponsive? This phone is powered by 4G Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 680 processor. So we cannot use 5G connection to access broadband internet. This processor works with an octa-core CPU which has two clusters. The first is a quad-core 2.4 GHz Cryo 265 Gold for heavy intensive applications and a quad-core 1.9 GHz Cryo 265 Silver for simple light applications to make the battery last longer. The performance usually happens slowly because this phone works with many multitasking apps. It can make the processor and RAM resources insufficient. This phone has two RAM options, 3 GB or 4 GB. At this moment, Xiaomi Redmi 10C will try to find the older app that is not in use and try to close to give more RAM resources. When this process happens, this phone will freeze for a while. Please do not install or run multiple applications together. In many cases, problems will occur slowly if we run many applications together. It will consume more RAM and processor resources. So we suggest to uninstall some unused apps if we don't really use those apps. Some of them will run in the background waiting for data to be refreshed and consuming more RAM. Removing some apps will help this phone run faster. How to fix lag issues in Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Xiaomi Redmi 10C will use RAM to run any apps. Beside the RAM, we also have to know how many free internal storage is left. Because if the internal storage is full, Xiaomi Redmi 10C's performance will also be reduced or become slow. Some Xiaomi Redmi 10C lag issues are caused by apps. But we also find some Xiaomi Redmi 10C become lag due to using non-original firmware or custom ROM. Why does Xiaomi Redmi 10C lag or slow down when playing some games? GPU is used to support gaming performance. This phone is powered by Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 684G processor and Adreno 610 GPU. Please do not expect much to play HD games with this GPU as it is supported for medium games. However, slow or lagging games are also usually caused by insufficient RAM. Please try to soft reset our Xiaomi Redmi 10C before playing heavy games to clean all temporary files and cache of previous apps. How to boost Xiaomi Redmi 10C performance speed and make it run faster. The first steps that you should do is a reset or reboot to remove temporary files and cache. Usually after the phone has finished rebooting, the speed performance may become faster. Please uninstall all applications that you do not use. We can try to find from the Settings to Applications menu, choose the inactive applications, and then choose Uninstall. Some factory default apps don't have uninstall button options, but we can disable by selecting the Disable button in the phone's Settings to Applications to Disable menu. These steps can also reduce the usage of RAM and processor resources. If all solutions still do not improve performance, please consider doing a factory reset to default settings. Follow the steps on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C hard reset, reformat page using the hardware button. Combination key. Please note that some menu options will be different due to a firmware update or some other possibility. Please use the comment options below for another question to discuss. Recover Xiaomi Redmi 10C contact, chat, data, photo and SMS. Tips to back up all important data on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. This is a 4G smartphone that does not have 5G connections. Many users do not understand how important it is to have backup data. We will lose all data when something happens on the phone, like phone loss or hardware damage. We will have many photos and videos that remain inside this phone. Because it has a dual rear camera, 50 megapixels wide plus 2 megapixels depth of field. The front camera resolution is 5 megapixels. We will provide easy steps to back up all your photos and videos automatically using free cloud storage server with Google Photos. Xiaomi Redmi 10C backup procedure. Sign in with Google account to backup contact or phone book on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Almost all of us will have many contacts or phone book data in Xiaomi Redmi 10C which are very important for our activity. We have to back up all important data in a secure location. An important thing when using Android is that we can sync our contact data with the Google account. What we need to do is make sure that our phone is already logged in with our personal Google account. After sign in, Android phone by default will automatically sync or backup data to Google Cloud Server, so we will have two phone book storage. One in Xiaomi Redmi 10C and one in https://contacts.google.com. Please check this address to make sure all data is actually backed up to a Google server. These steps will show if our Xiaomi Redmi 10C is syncing with Google Cloud Server. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Open the Settings menu, Account, Google, and make sure you already have a Gmail account set up. If you need to add a Google Gmail account, tap Add Account. Please see your account, and make sure sync is turned on. How to back up phone book or contact on Xiaomi Redmi 10C manually to SD card. We can keep the contact files on the external memory if available, or on the internal memory and copy or send those files using email or other cloud storage such as Dropbox or Google Drive. Besides having a backup in Google Cloud of our contact, we can also backup or export our contact or phone book on Xiaomi Redmi 10C using Export menu in Contact List. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Open Apps, Contacts. Choose all contacts to back up. Contacts greater than menu. Export, backup contacts. Choose Export to Storage, SD card. The name of the exported file will be displayed to tell us where the exported file is located. Finish the Xiaomi Redmi 10C contact backup to the memory card. How to backup and restore data on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. How to backup Xiaomi Redmi 10C photo. It is also important to back up the photos because with a good camera quality on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C we will have many important photos for the special moments. There are many options to back up our media such as photos and images on several sites. Backup or copy to external memory card. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Open the home screen. Find File Manager, File Commander and launch it. Choose Internal Storage. We will see many folders. Press and hold on one folder to select. After selecting one folder, we will see the list below. Choose Select All in the menu below. Choose Copy or Move, but better use Copy to reduce lost files. Select Menu greater than SD card. Choose the new folder where we want to copy those files. Choose Paste. Please be sure to manually check in the microSD folder that all files have already been copied. Backup or copy to computer. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Connect the Xiaomi Redmi 10C to the computer with a USB data cable. Make sure that the computer can connect to the Xiaomi Redmi 10C memory card. Otherwise, try swiping the notification area down from the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. And choose Connect USB as media. If the computer is already able to read the data of the Xiaomi Redmi 10C phone, use the PC File Explorer to open the DCIM folders on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. And copy all the folders or files to a specific location on our computer. If everything is finished, please try to open all the images from our computer to make sure all data is already backed up, exported or copied without problem. Backup Xiaomi Redmi 10C photo, videos to Google Photos. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Make sure we have installed the Google Photos apps from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Photos apps on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps. Setting, Backup and Sync, on. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose your Google Backup account. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose the upload size to high quality. Make sure we still have enough capacity. By default, photos and videos will be backed up to Google Photos Unlimited Backup when Xiaomi Redmi 10C is connected to Wi-Fi. Restore procedure for Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Restore backup contact from Google account on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. If we reformat or hard reset Xiaomi Redmi 10C, all data will be removed or erased. So we need to restore all contacts to Xiaomi Redmi 10C. This is how to restore. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Go to Menu Settings. Account, Google. Add our Google or Gmail account. In the first time, we can force sync contact to restore contacts from Google server to Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Make sure that sync is turned on to continue syncing our contact with the Google Cloud server. Restore backup contact from SD, micro SD card, internal memory to Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Turn on the Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Choose Contacts. Choose List from Contacts, Import Contact. Choose Import from Storage, SD card. Choose the folder we saved in our contact. Choose to import vCard file. Xiaomi Redmi 10C Restore Google_Photos Backup. Restore backup photos and videos from Google Photos on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Install Google Photos on our Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps. Setting, Backup and Sync, on. Sign into your previous Google account for Google Photos apps. Wait for a few moments when Xiaomi Redmi 10C is connected to Wi-Fi. Then our photos and videos will be restored to our phone. How to backup and restore SMS, text messages on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. There are some options to backup SMS, text messages from our phone. We recommend using and downloading the SMS Backup and Restore apps from the Google Play Store. We can backup all SMS conversations to phone memory, internal or external memory, or use cloud storage such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Please follow these steps to download SMS Backup and Restore from the Google Play Store. From the menu within these apps, please choose Backup now. Choose what you want to backup in our text message. Choose a backup location. We suggest using Google Drive as long as we already have a Gmail account to sign into. We can also choose some other options for backup location like Dropbox or internal, external phone memory. We can choose to backup only once or every specified time. SMS, text message recovery on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. These steps can only work if we follow above steps to backup SMS, text messages using SMS Backup and Restore app from Google Play Store. Open SMS Backup and Restore app and select Restore from the menu. Choose where to backup before, local phone memory, Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose to sign in or search for backup files from our phone. Choose what we want to restore from the backup files, messages or phone calls. Choose the Restore button. How to backup WhatsApp chat history on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. WhatsApp is very popular in many countries. We can communicate with any contact across devices. There are many important information we keep from WhatsApp chat contacts. So we have to back up all WhatsApp chat history and restore it on new phone or same when some problem happen. Please follow this page to back up and restore WhatsApp chat history or media. Photo videos from Xiaomi Redmi 10C.